Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Shah Rukh Khan vs Amir Khan top 10 high grossing movie comparison. Shah Rukh Khan Don 2 collection 209 crore. Amir Khan Fana collection 103 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 1 point. Shah Rukh Khan My Name is Khan 224 crore collection. Amir Khan Lal Singh Chanda collection 133 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 2 point. Shah Rukh Khan Jab Tak Hai Jaan collection 235 crore. Amir Khan Talash 174 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 3 point. Shah Rukh Khan Reese collection 281 crore. Amir Khan Gajini collection 193 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 4 point. Shah Rukh Khan Diwale collection 384 crore. Amir Khan Thanks of Hindustan collection 328 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 5 point. Shah Rukh Khan Happy New Year collection 387 crore. Amir Khan 3 Idiot collection 412 crore. Amir Khan 1 point. Shah Rukh Khan Chennai Express collection 423 crore. Amir Khan Dhoom 3 collection 558 crore. Amir Khan 2 point. Shah Rukh Khan Dangi collection 423 crore. Amir Khan PK collection 772 crore. Amir Khan 3 point. Shah Rukh Khan Pathan collection 1050 crore. Amir Khan Secret Superstar collection 980 crore. Shah Rukh Khan 6 point. Shah Rukh Khan Jawan collection 1152 crore. Amir Khan Dangal collection 2075 crore. Amir Khan 4 point. 6 point Shah Rukh Khan, 4 point Amir Khan. Winner Shah Rukh Khan. Next comparison video comment.